Hello, my friends. We welcome you to day 40, our final day of our 40-day spiritual regimen and revival. And for our last day, I'm going to read a poem called The Fruit of the Spirit by Max Lucado. I choose love. No occasion justifies hatred. No injustice warrants bitterness. I choose love. Today I will love God and what God loves. I choose joy. I will invite my God to be the God of circumstance. I choose peace. I will live forgiven. I will forgive so that I may live. I choose patience. I will overlook the inconveniences of the world. Instead of cursing the one who takes my place, I'll invite him to do so. I choose kindness. I will be kind to the poor, for they are alone. Kind to the rich, for they are afraid. Kind to the unkind, for such is how God has treated me. I choose goodness. I will go without a dollar before I take a dishonest one. I choose faithfulness. Today I will keep my promises. I choose gentleness. Nothing is won by force. I choose to be gentle. I choose self-control. I refuse to let what will rot rule the eternal. I will be drunk only by joy. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. To these I commit my day. If I succeed, I will give thanks. If I fail, I will seek his grace. And then, when the day is done, I will place my head on my pillow and rest. It has been a pleasure being with you these 40 days. And I would like to close with a song. Now, you're going to bear with me on this song. It is entitled, May His Peace Be With You Till We Meet Again. May His peace be with you till we meet again. May His peace be with you till we meet again. May His peace be with you till we meet again. When we reach that distant shore, and we'll shed a tear no more. May He give you strength to endure till we meet again. Till we meet again. God bless you all. I love you so much. Bye-bye.